Hi, today I will show you how to play chess with your friends on Duolingo. So, in order to do this, simply open your mobile phone, then make sure that your Duolingo application is updated to the latest version. Navigate to Play Store and search for Duolingo. Now, click Duolingo and make sure there's no update button available. Then, open the application and you will see an interface that will look something like this. So, once you're on your Duolingo homepage, simply click the flag icon at the top left of your menu. So, whatever language you will be currently learning, you'll have to click on the flag icon of that language. Now, you will see the current language you're learning. You can add the course here, and just below, you will see new courses. Under this, you will see math, music, and chess. Click chess. Now, it will ask you how much chess do you know. You can choose whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or a pro. Choose your level, click continue. Now, choose where would you like to start. Choose start from scratch or simply choose find my level. Now click continue. After you do this, you'll be taken to the lessons and you can start playing chess on Duolingo pretty easily. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.